How to use Linktree to sell your products. First things first is access your preferred web browser. I'm gonna be using Google Chrome for this tutorial right now. And once you do, just go ahead to your Google Chrome and then type in Linktree. From here, just choose on linktree.ee or the official Linktree website. Now, once you click on that, you'll be routed to this page. Once you choose whatever you want to log in on Linktree, it's either your Google account or through your Apple account. Now, once you tap on that, you'll be routed to the next page in which you'll have to choose on your username. So after username, you will be routed then to this page. In this page, there is actually the plans for you to use. You can go ahead with Starter, Pro, Premium, or a personal Linktree account. Now let's try on Linktree personal account first. So join free. From here, you'll have to select a template from your content. This one. Okay. Now, which platforms are you on, or which specific platforms are you trying to advertise your product? Example, YouTube video, from your YouTube video, or from your TikTok video clips, from your Facebook, Spotify audio recorders, from your X Twitter, or WhatsApp. Anywhere you would like. So let's try on YouTube. Now, this is when you will be adding your links. For example, you have advertised your products and upload them to YouTube. All I have to do is just copy that link and paste it here. And then if you also have your own links for your own website, just simply add it here. So basically, Linktree is actually a links to you will be routed to your products or your advertisements. So that's how you sell products using Linktree. Just adding the URLs or links that will directly route the buyers to your products. So that's how you use Linktree to sell your products.